Early one bright morning, the sun peeked over the hills, making the wet grass shimmer with dew. The river ran swiftly, swollen from last night's heavy rain. School bus Bella rolled merrily along the winding road, her yellow sides shining as she carried a busload of excited children, all eager for another day at school. The children chatted and laughed, their backpacks bouncing on their laps, looking forward to lessons and playtime. As Bella approached the river, a familiar sight came into view, the small wooden bridge that carried everyone safely across. But today, something was wrong. The bridge had collapsed. Jagged planks and beams stuck out of the rushing water, and the river was too wide and deep to cross. Bella came to a gentle stop, her engine purring quietly. The children peered out of the windows, eyes wide with worry. "Oh no," one child cried. "How will we get to school?" Bella's voice was calm and kind. "Don't worry, everyone. Let's see what we can do." Just then, Excavator Ellie rolled up, her metal arms gleaming and her engine humming with energy. She was smart and quick-thinking, always ready with an idea. She looked carefully at the broken bridge and the worried faces of the children. Ellie said thoughtfully. "We need a new bridge, one that's strong and safe, but we can't do it alone. Let's call our friends." Ellie beeped her horn, sending a signal through the valley. Before long, dump truck Danny arrived, tires crunching on the gravel. Danny was strong and funny, never afraid of hard work. He winked at the children, trying to make them smile. "Looks like we've got a big job today. Don't worry, kids, we'll get you to school." Next came Crane Carl, rolling slowly but steadily, his long arms stretching high above the trees. Carl was big and sometimes a little slow, but his strength was unmatched. He looked at the broken bridge and nodded. "Let's get building." Ellie explained her clever plan. "We'll build a brand new bridge together. Danny can haul stones and wood, Carl can lift the heavy beams, and I'll help put everything in place." The team got right to work. Danny rumbled off to the nearby forest, gathering strong wooden logs and sturdy stones. He loaded them into his bed, making silly faces at the children as he passed, trying to keep their spirits up. "Watch out! Here comes the mighty dump truck," he joked, pretending to wobble under the weight. Crane Carl moved slowly but surely, lifting the biggest logs with his powerful arm. He swung them high over the river, carefully lowering them into place. Ellie used her clever claws to adjust the beams, making sure everything fit snugly together. She zipped back and forth, double-checking every detail. All the while, Bella kept the children safe and entertained. She told them stories and sang songs, her warm voice drifting through the windows. "Don't worry, little ones. Our friends are working hard, and soon you'll be on your way." As the sun rose higher, the team worked together, never stopping. Whenever someone got tired, the others cheered them on. Soon, their hard work turned into a happy song. Ellie started a tune, tapping on a log with her metal arm. Danny joined in, honking his horn in rhythm. Carl hummed a slow, deep note, while Bella sang softly to the children. "Build, build, build together. Help our friends in any weather. Big and small, fast and slow. Working as a team, we grow." The children clapped along, their worries melting away. They watched in awe as the new bridge took shape, each piece fitting together perfectly. Danny dumped stones along the riverbank to make a strong foundation. Carl lifted the biggest beams over the water, placing them gently onto the supports. Ellie tightened every bolt and checked every plank, determined to make the bridge as safe as possible. Hours passed, but the team never gave up. When a beam was too heavy, Carl used all his strength, and Danny lightened the load with his jokes. If a plank didn't fit, Ellie thought quickly and found a solution. Bella offered words of encouragement, reminding everyone why they were working so hard. Finally, as the sun reached its peak, the last plank was set in place. Ellie checked the bridge one more time, making sure everything was secure. Danny smoothed out the path and Carl gave a proud nod. The bridge stood tall and strong, gleaming in the morning light. Bella smiled widely. "Hooray! You did it, friends! The bridge is ready." The children cheered, their voices ringing across the valley. They clapped and shouted, excited to cross the new bridge. Bella gently drove forward, her wheels rolling over the sturdy planks. The bridge didn't shake or wobble. It was safe and strong, built with teamwork and care. As Bella crossed the river, the children waved to Ellie, Danny, and Carl, shouting thank yous and singing their happy song. The team celebrated together, proud of what they had accomplished. "Look what we did!" Danny laughed. "No problem is too big when we work together." Ellie smiled, her eyes twinkling. "Teamwork is the strongest tool of all." Carl nodded slowly, his deep voice full of pride. "Together, we can build anything." Bella and the children continued on to school, their hearts full of joy. The bridge behind them stood as a symbol of what can be done when friends help each other, no matter how big the challenge. As the day went on, the team rested by the riverside, knowing they had made a real difference. The children learned that with kindness, clever thinking, and teamwork, no problem was too big to solve. And so, every time the rain fell and the river rushed, the new bridge stood strong, reminding everyone in the valley of the power of working together. Whether you're small and quick, big and strong, or slow but steady, each friend has something special to offer. When we work together, we build more than bridges. We build friendships, solve problems, and make our world a better place.